Good morning, students. Today I'll discuss with you some key points about body types. So, what key point about body type? Okay. So, look, students. First of all, I'll discuss with you what are the body types in physical education. What are the body types in physical education? Look, students. The physical makeup of one's body is called their body type. What? The physical makeup of one's body is called their body type. So, lifestyle, level of fitness, and genetics all contribute to this. Understood? All related with body types, lifestyle, level of fitness, and genetics of contribute. These are all about body types, and there are main three body types have been defined. What are these? Mesomorph, ectomorph, and endomorph. What? Mesomorph, endomorph, and ectomorph. Okay, meso, endo, ecto. So these three body types have been defined. So before these three body type defined, we'll know about introduction to the somatotype. What? Introductions to somatotype. Somatotype. Okay. So look, students, in 1950s, there was a physiologist. In 1950s, there was a psychologist named William Sheldon who looked at the proportions of people and decided to give these generalized proportions a name. So he called these proportions what? Somatotypes. Okay. So where somato is a word meaning relating to the human or animal, meaning to the human, meaning to the human or animal body. Got it? What is the meaning of somato? Somato, the meaning to the human or animal body. Got it? So Sheldon believed that the three somatotypes he discovered would give him an insight into the individual's psychological traits. What? Got it? Listen carefully. Sheldon believed that the three somatotypes he discovered could give him insight into the individual psychological traits. So he looked at these students and gave one of three types: ectomorph, mesomorph, and endomorph. So to receive a scoring, he not only observed their behaviors, but he also measured their body fat, muscle mass, and other behaviors. So like nervousness and anxiety. Okay. So what William Sheldon, he received his scoring, not only observed their behavior, but he also observed or he also measured their body fat, muscle mass, and other behavior like nervousness and anxiety. Got it? So another one, now look, what is an ectomorph? So first of all, there are three body types. First body type, ectomorph. Second body type, mesomorph, and third body type, endomorph. So ectomorph. So look here. Look, students, the ectomorph is often described as the hard gainer. But the ectomorph is often described as the hard gainer in the weight room. Okay, and these are the people who take a long time to gain muscle and are at the risk of remaining real thin unless they eat right and avoid overdoing cardio. So this is a ectomorph. There are characteristics of ectomorph. Characteristics of an ectomorph: thin, slender appearance, can be skinny fat, small chest, fitted leans, are generally lost around the glutes, fast metabolisms, long limbs, thin bones and small joints, hyperactive. These are all about characteristics of an ectomorph. Got it? So next one, mesomorph. Now you know what is a mesomorph. What is a mesomorph? Look students, the mesomorph is someone who is blessed with natural muscle tone and strength. Through they can gain both fat and muscle with ease. They tend to burn fat faster than both ectomorph and endomorphs. So while maintaining their muscle mass, to body usually is wider at the shoulders and tapers in at the waist, even with the men, and the waistline is notably lower than the other body types. Got it? So characteristics of mesomorph. Characteristics of mesomorph: heavy athletic body, gains both muscles, fat and easily, but he can also lose both, gains both muscles and fat easily, but can also lose both easily. Muscles and fat lost both easily. Defined muscles, okay, and well structure also they have, and hard rectangular shape for men, hourglass shape for women, and fitted jeans are slung around the glutes but not too tight. Okay, and shoulders are slightly wider than hips and gain strength easily. Average to fast metabolism, thick skin, noted for having idle postures also. And other features of the mesomorph include hands and feet that are well muscled, square jaw, and clearly defined cheekbones. Understood? So these are all about characteristics of a mesomorph. And lastly, I will discuss with you endomorph. So look student, what is an endomorph? What is an endomorph? What is an endomorph? Endomorph have soft and round body. They have short and stocky limbs also. They have large bones structure and big boned and fitted jeans are strung around the hips and glutes. Slow metabolisms, loss fat with difficulty, gains fat and muscle at an average rate, and lack of muscles definitions and large aptitude. So what is an endomorph? Additional features of endomorph include short arms and legs with tiny hands and feet. Because of their typical girth, the length of their arms and size of their hands and feet tend to make endomorphs look less fit than the other body types. So these are all key point about body types. Carefully listen my voice and read properly. Okay, thank you.